In this video we're going to do treble 6 together. So essentially 6 stitches are gonna come together. If it's the starting of a row or round and the first 6 have to come together, the first chain will be only 3. So 1, 2, 3. If you know trebles, it's usually 4, but because we're putting it together with the next few stitches, you only want to chain 3. So we're gonna collect then the next stitches. So there's gonna be 6 together. So this is 1, and let's just treble. So wrap the hook twice, pull through 2 and 2 and hold it. So you can see it's kind of like a post that's there. So wrapping twice and move to the next one, pull through 2 and 2 and hold it. Wrapping twice, going to the next stitch, pull through 2 and 2 and hold it, and keep doing that till you get a total of 6 loops on your hook. You only have 6 when it's the beginning of a round or a row. So now that we have our 6, you're gonna yarn over and pull through all of those, and that is treble 6 together. Now I want to show you one more thing. If you had for example, you were in the middle of a row or a round and there's already treble existing, there's a difference of the number of counts of loops on the hook, and let me prove that to you. So you're gonna wrap. Let's put the next 6 together. So I'm gonna count those. So we're gonna say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there should be a total of 7 loops on the hook, and I know that from experience, and the reason for it is that the 6 are there, but you had a starting one that was already existing like as part of the row, so there'll always be 7. So it's only the very beginning, if you ever had to start a beginning of a row or round, that there will be 6 loops, but in the middle of a row or round there will always be 7. So yarning over and pulling it through all, and that was treble 6 together.